I spent 5 years in Unreal Engine and have made many mistakes. Nobody told me what actually mattered before I started. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. I'll show you the 5 mistakes I wish someone had told me when I first started. Most beginners spend months doing tutorial after tutorial, convinced they need just one more before they can start their own original project, so they never start. One of the first games I ever made was called Minute Monkey. The concept was simple: beat every level in under a minute. It was rough, it was nowhere near what I had in my head when I started building it, but I finished it and shared it with some friends. And honestly, I was proud of it, because the project taught me a lot about Unreal Engine that a tutorial would not be able to. It forced me to solve real problems, make real decisions, and actually think for myself inside of the engine. If you're sitting there waiting until you're good enough to start, stop waiting. Build something small, build something bad, and finish it. It doesn't matter if it's rough around the edges or if nobody ever plays it. The act of finishing is what moves you forward, and no tutorial on YouTube can give you that. So, you've got your first project and started it, but here's where most beginners fall apart. The second thing I wish someone told me is that hitting a wall in Unreal Engine doesn't mean you're not cut out for it. It just means you're learning. But most beginners don't see it that way. They spend an hour on a problem, can't figure it out, and start thinking maybe game development just isn't for them. And then that's where they quit. Here's how I think about it. Learning Unreal Engine is like learning to walk. You don't think about each individual step. You just keep putting one foot in front of another, and before you know it, you're running. Day to day, you can't see the progress. It feels like you're grinding through bugs and broken blueprints and systems that don't work. But underneath all of that, it's compounding. And one day, you look back and you realize you can do things that would have completely stumped you 6 months ago. So, every bug you fix, every system that breaks and forces you to figure out why, that's a rep. That's you getting better. Mistakes aren't the sign you're failing. They're actually the mechanism of learning. The developers who make it aren't the ones who never struggled. They're the ones who kept going when it got hard. So, the mindset is there. But here's the mistake that kills even the most persistent beginners. They're learning the wrong things in the wrong order, and it's costing them months. Avoid learning every tool. Master the fundamentals first. When you first open Unreal Engine, the number of tools staring back at you is genuinely overwhelming. There's Blueprints, Niagara, Control Rig, and that's before you've even made anything. So what most beginners do is bounce between tutorials on all of them, picking up bits and pieces of everything, without ever building real depth in one area. And then they wonder why nothing clicks when they try to build something on their own. Think of it like walking into a professional kitchen for the first time. There are 40 different knives on the wall, you have no idea what half of them are for, and it feels like you need to master all of them before you can cook anything. But that's not how it works. All you actually need to learn first is how to chop an onion. Everything else comes later, once you've got the basics solid. Unreal Engine is exactly the same. You don't need to know how to use the landscape tool to ship your first game. You don't need Control Rig or any of that advanced stuff. What you need is a solid understanding of blueprints, actors, components, because everything else in the engine is built on top of those. Get the fundamentals locked in first, and the rest of the tools start to make sense when you actually need them. So, you're focused on the fundamentals, but even then, most beginners make one decision early on that can add months of unnecessary work to their project. One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make is thinking they need to build everything from scratch. Every asset, every sound, every animation, all of it made by hand before they can even start on their actual game. And I get it. It feels like the right way to do things. But what it actually does is make the scope of an even small project so massive that you never even finish it. When I was making my first Steam game, I could have gone down that road. I could have spent months learning 3D modeling just to create the assets I needed. And honestly, for a while, I thought that's what I was supposed to do. But instead, I went to Fab, which is Unreal Engine's marketplace for assets, found exactly what I needed, and just kept building. The time I saved by not modeling everything from scratch meant I could actually focus on learning the engine and solving real problems and getting my game finished. Fab has thousands of high quality assets, characters, environments, sounds, and a huge amount of them are completely free. So before you spend 3 months learning a skill that has nothing to do with game development, check Fab first. Use what's already out there and keep the momentum going, and save your energy for the parts of the engine you actually need to learn. So now you've got the right tools working for you, but none of that matters if you burn out before you finish. And trust me, burnout is way more common than people think. The last thing I wish someone had told me before I started this, the way you practice matters just as much as what you practice, because I see so many beginners do the same thing early on that I did. They get excited, they open Unreal Engine and they go all in. And it feels productive in the moment, but within a few weeks the motivation is gone and they're burnt out completely. Think of it like going to the gym session because you want to put on some muscle. You can't just do one intense session which lasts 5 hours and then hope to be ripped. You'll be burnt out and you're not going to achieve your goal. Instead, you need to show up to the gym consistently, maybe doing 30 minutes every day, and eventually you'll have a ripped body. Unreal Engine works the same way. You can just spend a little bit of time in it every day, and that will compound. It's better than trying to do one massively long crammed Unreal Engine session where you'll learn nothing and just get burnt out. You'll retain more, you'll burn out less, and you'll keep building momentum instead of constantly restarting from zero after taking weeks off to recover. So close the engine when you need to and come back tomorrow and just keep showing up. So now you have the 5 things I generally wish I had when someone handed me before I started. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.